If you have porcelain tiles in your kitchen, hallway, or bathroom, check out our resealing guide at abbeyfloorcare.co.uk. Porcelain is tough and low maintenance, but even the best floors need protection, especially the grout. In our guide, I explain how often to reseal, what to look for, and how to avoid common mistakes that can damage your floor. Most grout lines need resealing every 1 to 2 years, and high-traffic areas like kitchens and hallways usually need attention sooner than guest bathrooms or low-use rooms. A simple water drop test can tell you when it's time. If the water soaks in instead of beading on the surface, it's ready for resealing. Choosing the right sealer also matters. Penetrating sealers work best on unglazed porcelain and grout, while glazed tiles usually only need grout protection. Avoid oversealing or using harsh cleaners, as both can weaken the finish and shorten your floor's lifespan. By following these simple steps, you'll keep your porcelain tiles looking fresh, resist stains and moisture, and extend their life for years to come.